Day 8 of 365 days. Let's go. I'm here at the park. Again, I'm starting a new challenge. Push-up every day for the whole year. I'm adding 1 push-up daily until the year is over. So let's look for someone to challenge today. Hi guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Anong challenge ka?
Okay. I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. But since it's January 8th, right? We're just gonna do 8.
Ano? 8 push-up?
We're just gonna do 8.
Wow. Ano ba yun?
Yeah.
Yako ka naman!
Let's do it. You know the knee push-up? You can girls. Let's just try.
Yako ka na! Uy ka nga! Masakit ko bitin!
We'll do it together. We'll do it together. Yeah, on my count. Tara.
Ay na.
Sure ba?
Ano yan na?
Yeah.
Gago!
Yes, dito tayo. Facing there kasi yung black.
Yan kuya, kaya mo yan.
I'm here at the park. I'm with
Everald po.
Everal.
Kenzie po.
Kenzie. All right. So it's day 8. We're gonna do 8 knee push-ups. All right.
Thank you.
We'll do it slowly. In 3, 2. Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo ba full range? Half lang. Half range lang. Ganito. Half lang ganun. 1, 2. 3 more. Ay, 4 more. Ilan pa? 7 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, good job. Congrats. Galing. Congrats. Are you guys from here? San Fernando?
Yes po. Mimingal ka.
Kaya ba?
Ay sa'yo. Lagi yun na.
First time do the push-up? Or,
Kaya pagod kasi.
pagod na kasi nag-jog. Alright.
Subscribe to Monstay. Follow the channel.
Hi broski, can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Ay, sige. Di po yung ano yun, pong day 6 po.
Oh really?
Wednesday po.
Wednesday.
Na-subscribe na po kaya.
Kala mo, alusog ka. Yeah guys, I'm here again at the park. I'm with
Charles po.
I remember you, Charles. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lang? Ay, kaya wala sa akin. Masarap ako eh. Masarap pa yung ano. Naalala kita, ikaw yung kasama mo yung little girl na cute.
Opo.
Oh!
Subscribe to Monday and follow the challenge.
Alright, thank you Sir Charles. Bye for now. Sana lang. Excuse me guys, can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Ano po yan?
I'm doing push-up every day for the whole year. Since it's January 8th, we're gonna do 8. I'm here at the park, I'm with
Johnson.
Matt. We're gonna do
8 push-ups.
8 push-ups. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Antayin ko kasi baba. Pwede half range lang. 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. Kaya mo yan. Kaya, last one. 8. Good job! Good job, guys! When was the last time you do push-up? Tagal na rin.
Matagal na rin.
Okay. 8 push-ups, medyo mahirap na pala ah. Good.
Last ko po kasi push-up nung varsity po ako eh.
Oo, tagal na. Coffee na lang.
Subscribe to Mondays to follow the challenge.
Alright, thank you bro.
Thank you.
Ang galing naman! Pero gutom na ako. Ayun na. Wala kakain. Tuhanin mo.
Hi guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge wag ako yung kumain? I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. Since it's January 8, we're gonna do 8.
Hindi ko kaya mag-push up. Sorry.
Let's do this. I'm here at the park. I'm with
Christian.
Okay, since it's January 8, we're gonna do beginner push-up. Yeah, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Niloloko mo ako, kaya mo eh.
Subscribe to Month's Day to follow the challenge.
Thanks so much. Full video will be posted on my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Okay, sige.
I'll type it in.
Nag-away pa man din kami kung kakain ka.
Narinig ko nga eh.
Hindi may challenge. Nag-aya kasi. So, sabi wala. Nagsabi
Oh.
kakain. So, walang kakain.
Five. Oh, 6. 7.
8.
Oh, yan na, 8.
Hi guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge? I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. So since it's January 8, we're gonna do 8. I'm here at the park. I'm with
Jog. Brandon.
Carl. Okay. Since it's January 8, we're gonna do
8 push-up.
Alright, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Lalakas nyo ha. Oh, sobra. Solid. Taga dito lang ba kayo? Gwa. Subscribe to Kuya Mons Day to follow the challenge. Eh. Okay na guys. Hi guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge? I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. For the whole year. But since it's January 8, we're gonna do 8. No. Bro, we're gonna do it together. I'm here at the park. I'm with
Alnor. I'm Hali.
Hali. Bros, since it's day 8, can we do 8?
Yes.
Yeah. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8. Good job, guys. Hey! Sabi na kaya nyo eh. Kala ko ba busog?
Kakataos lang namin. Shoutout sa kuya ko dyan. Huwag ka magalit, kauwi ko.
Shoutout sa papa ko dyan, I love you pa. Magalit ka na hanggang kauwi ko. Subscribe to Kuya Mons Day to follow the challenge.
Eh!
Talaga parang may talent ako. Dapat tagisa kasi mana ha. Tatagis kasi mana tagulon rin. Ay.
Day 8 done. See you on day 9. Don't forget to share your push-up grind on the comments below. Subscribe to follow the challenge.